Bless you, Arya. Let's learn vegetables, okay, Arya? Where are the red tomatoes? Good job. Where are the orange carrots? Orange carrots. Good job. Where are the red, green and yellow peppers? No, that's ginger. Where are the red, green and yellow peppers? Can you kiss them? Red, green and yellow peppers. Good job. Where is the purple eggplant? Eggplant. No, that's lettuce. Purple. Good job. Where is the orange pumpkin? Good job.